Rizzo here, back with another video, back with another cooking video. Today, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make corn muffins. All right, so let's get to it. All right, guys, I got 1/2 a cup of cornmeal here and 1½ cup of flour in this bowl right here. So now I gotta get put, where are you guys? All right, I gotta put 1 cup of sugar here. I don't have the one cup thing, so I'm gonna it's 1/2 a cup, and another one makes 1 cup. All right, so let's combine these bad boys together. Let's combine them. These are our dry ingredients. Let's combine them. Now I gotta get. Just combine these bad boys. Oh yeah. Okay. Then I need to put 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Open this bad boy up. Okay, this is salt right here. Alright, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Not too much. And you want 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. 1/3 of a cup. I dropped. I knew it. Is it right? 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Then just, mix them up. Then you want to put 1/4 cup of milk. Okay. One and 1/4 cup of milk. So this is 1/2 a cup. This is 1 and 1. This is 1/3. I'm gonna put 1/3. Okay, and a little more. That's all. That's the way it is. Now you gotta put 2 eggs beaten. You gotta beat them like they stole son. You know what I mean? Crack them inside. That's 1, 2. Alrighty. Now let me get my whisk. Where's my whisk? Gotta beat these guys.
Like they stole something.
Until they're smooth.
Beat them like they stole something.
Yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment down below, guys, and subscribe. All right, this is a new channel. Let's make this channel live, guys. Gonna be giving you guys more good content in here. Know what I mean?
Right now we're gonna post more.
We're gonna post more videos in this one. I'm gonna give the Rizzo family a break, but you know, we're gonna keep on with the Rizzo family.
We need more.
We need more subscribers in the Rizzo family, guys.
More supporters.
You know what I mean? More supporters, more subscribers. You know, and it's free, guys. It's free to click on that subscribe button and watch our video. We're not charging you. Beat these good, guys. You gotta beat them good. Okay, I think that's about right. Okay, that's just about right. Now you want to get, put this back. You want to get a tray of this size. So let's get the batter.
Put in there.
You want to pour 2/3 in, not all the way full.
Because we need more for the here.
No, you need to give it a little space,
Oh.
because when they rise,
Oh yeah.
they will pop up. And I already got the oven already heated to 350 degrees, guys. I already got the oven heated to 350. And you want to leave these bad boys in there for like at least 20 minutes or until it's ready in the middle. So, oven's already preheated. Let's put these bad boys in. And I'm gonna leave these guys here for at least 20 minutes or until the center it's nice and you know that you don't see the batter. Where you can poke it with a toothpick, bring it out, and if you see it clean, then it's ready. All right, guys. But I'll be right back in about 20 minutes until these bad boys are done. Let's check these bad boys how they're looking. These corn muffins. Woo! Look how these guys look over here. They looking delish. Ah, these bad boys are hot. Ooh. These guys are hot, my friends. Get more on the good edge. But spin off. I don't want to burn myself. Let's get these guys over here. That's how those corn muffins is looking, guys. Delicious. Look at these guys.
This one good.
Nice and firm. Nice and firm. You're done. And once you put these bad boys, you can take them out easily. But you gotta let them rest for at least 5 minutes before you can even, you know, take it out the plastic. You gotta let them firm up. And I'm also making some water. I'm heating up some water right here, so I can make some tea. You can have that. You can cut that right in the middle. Add a little bit of butter. Add a little bit of jelly with a nice cup of tea, and there goes your dessert or how you call it, tea time. You know what I mean? With your lovely wife, and have it conversate, have a cup of tea, and have a nice muffin. You know what I mean?
Tea
But
time.
that's the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. And we'll be making more videos soon. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to your new channel. Please share this video. Please smash that like button. Help this channel out. And let's grow. Alright? Let's grow together. And that's it. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace. Yeah.